Welcome to Eazyfixit Academy. Today we have got a MacBook Air with the no backlight issue. So as you can see on the display actually, after turning on, we can see the backlight after putting the flash in the back side of the logo. So let's open the device and see what's wrong inside the logic board. After opening the device, as we can see, it's a waterlogged device. Basically, we can see there is a water near to the LCD connectors. So let's measure the anode line. As we can see on the multimeters, actually on the diode mode readings, we are getting 0.40. So it means the anode line is okay. Let's remove the display connectors and see. After removing the display connector, as we can see, actually it's burned internally. So the anode line from the display flex cable itself, it has got burned and it's being shorted internally. So let's check the connector under the microscopes. As you can see here, the LED returns resistors are looking corroded as well actually, and the LCD connectors, it has got burned internally. So that is mandatory to replace. There are some caps as well actually on the anode lines that are corroded due to the sparks. So it's always better to replace the corroded caps, then it won't raise the problems again basically. So now it's time to remove the logic board from the top case. So as we can see in the back side, it's looking okay because there is a little bit dust and all. So let's put the logic board on the preheaters and wait to let the PCB get hot. As we can see, actually the flux are melting easily. So let's remove the connector. So as you can see, actually the LED returns path were damaged, so I'll show you in the schematics diagrams. Here, when anode rails get shorted, actually the first of all your fuse is going to blow off F7700. So that is mandatory to replace or just short in order to test your backlight. So here on the board view you can see J8300, it's basically display connectors and the LED returns resistors and the anode caps and all. So let's install the LCD connector. So if you have got something like that, actually you just follow these steps to fix your device faster, actually, because we have done it a lot of devices. Basically if you try something else, you may take a lot of time and you may fail as well, actually, because these are the common issue inside the MacBook Air. So whenever it gets damaged through waters, it's mandatory to replace the connector. Basically, do not try to clean and wash it up and connect the LCD, it will get burned again. So you have to work a bit more. So whenever you found something like that, it's better you replace it. So using the preheater is more convenient. It's get hot easily and it's being installed perfectly as well, actually. So the connector is being placed perfectly. So let's connect the display and check the backlight. So as we can see, we have got the backlight. So now the device has been fixed. That's it for today. Stay connected for more exciting videos. Thank you so much.